Fear less, love more. I want to teach you calm in the age of Corona. I want to teach you quiescence in the space of calamity. I want to teach you tranquility in the age of trauma. You need to know how to maintain your mental wellness, and this information I want to share with you so you can help a family member not go down that pathway, okay? So, your perceptions. Now, your diet obviously has a lot to do with how you feel about yourself, but your feelings also significantly cause you to want to eat the foods that are not good for you, particularly fried foods, salty foods, sugary foods, creamy foods, dairy, and flour. And those things actually constrict the blood vessel leading to the brain. And then we don't have clarity in our thoughts. We don't have clarity in our decisions. So that's why the formula for mental wellness is so very, very, very important to me. And I hope I'm communicating this to you to register for the webinar. Now, the webinar is free. However, the replay is going to cost you. This is very different from other situations where the webinar, you pay for the webinar and you get the free replay. We're doing it backwards on purpose because I have a huge body of work and I can't communicate it to you in 30 minutes or 60 minutes or 90 minutes. It would take at least 7-day retreat where I have you 12, 15 hours a day that we could significantly transmit the information that would have a lasting impact on your life. Now, Eddie, the holistic motivator, says you gotta spoon feed them, doc. You can't eat an elephant all at once. Spoon feed them. So this is my spoon feeding you to get you to come to the webinar, the free webinar on Friday at 7. So this is the formula for mental wellness, part 2. Now, I'm going to try to make it complete in and of itself. If it's incomplete, you can go to patreon.com, register, patreon.com/Dr. Chi Love, DRQI Love. And then you can get part 1 and all the other podcasts that we do every Friday night. So I'm here for you. This is an age of fear. This is an age of anger. This is an age of frustration. This is an age of helplessness. And I'm here to bring you self-healing empowerment so you can let go of all of those negative feelings. There is nothing to fear. Fear less, love more. That's our new slogan. I want to teach you calm in the age of Corona. I want to teach you quiescence in the space of calamity. I want to teach you tranquility in the age of trauma. So I'm here to bring you calmness during this quarantine. And I know there's lots of voices and there's lots of people pulling at you and lots of people spewing theories, and I'm here to bring a breath of light, a breath of love, and a breath of peace. I'm here to serve you.